Have you ever felt lost when trying to promote your content online? Maybe you've put in hours of work creating something only to find out that no one seems to notice. It's frustrating, right? The problem is, many people jump into content creation without a clear plan. In this video, you'll learn how to build an effective content marketing strategy from the ground up. Understand your target audience. Before you can create a strategy, you need to know who you're creating it for. Without a clear understanding of your audience, your content may fall flat. Ask yourself, who are they? What do they care about? What problems are they facing? The more specific you can be, the better. For example, if you're targeting small business owners, they might be looking for ways to grow their businesses with limited resources. By knowing this, you can create content that directly addresses their challenges, which naturally attracts them to your brand. Set clear goals. One of the biggest mistakes people make when creating content is not having a clear goal in mind. Are you looking to increase website traffic, generate leads, or improve brand awareness? Knowing your goals will shape the type of content you produce and how you promote it. For instance, if your goal is to drive more traffic to your site, your content should be optimized for search engines, SEO, and shared across platforms where your audience is most active. If lead generation is your focus, consider creating downloadable resources like ebooks or guides in exchange for contact information. Choose the right platforms. Not all content performs well on every platform. The key is choosing the platforms that align with where your audience spends their time. Are they on Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, or maybe even Facebook? For example, if your audience consists of professionals or B2B companies, LinkedIn would be a better platform to focus on than Instagram. On the other hand, if you're targeting a younger demographic with visual content, Instagram or TikTok could be more effective. Create a content calendar. Consistency is crucial in content marketing. A content calendar helps you stay organized and ensures that you're regularly posting quality content. It also allows you to plan ahead for important events, holidays, or product launches. By scheduling your content in advance, you avoid the last-minute rush of trying to come up with ideas on the fly. It is also a great way to mix up the type of content that you're creating, from blog posts and videos to infographics and social media updates, ensuring variety for your audience. Measure and adjust. Your strategy isn't set in stone. It's important to track your progress and see what's working and what's not. Use tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, or email marketing metrics to measure performance. If you find that certain types of content aren't resonating with your audience, don't be afraid to pivot. Successful content marketing requires flexibility and a willingness to experiment.